Genevieve, how do you rate the show out of 10?
50-100.
Tonight, 100 drones lit up the sky in Highlands Ranch in honor of a 7-year-old girl battling leukemia. Valor Christian High School students worked with a local drone company to put on a show for Genevieve as part of the school's Wish Week, where the students focus on giving back the week before prom. And it was a beautiful show. I think they were a little worried about the wind for a scotch there. But.
Sure. You know what? But how nice to be able to have a show like that and not worry about fire danger on a day like today versus if it had been a fireworks show or something like that, Kathy?
Yeah. Oh, beautiful, beautiful display and Mother Nature helping out.
Genevieve, how do you rate the show out of 10?
50-100.
50-100. Well, last night, 100 drones lit up the sky in Highlands Ranch in honor of a 7-year-old girl who is battling leukemia. Valor Christian High School students worked with a local drone company to put on a show for Genevieve as part of the school's Wish Week, where students focus on giving back the week before prom.
It means a lot. We're trying to help out kids all the time, and this is the best part of the week, I think, of the year for that matter. Wish Week is always a great time. We get to have a lot of fun with it.
How incredible is that? What great work they're doing. Now, the fun not over just yet. Other Valor Christian Wish Week events include a wish parade, games, and fundraising events. Did you see it last night?
I did not. You know, I was probably sleeping.
Yeah, that's true.
But I will say a lot of schools in the metro area participate in Wish Week.
Yeah.
And that's how Make-A-Wish raises so much money. These schools love it. They pick like an ambassador wish kid sometimes, and they raise so much money. So Valor Christian, you're amazing. And all the schools that participated in Wish Week, thank you.
And instilling it in people that young, you know, something that they carry on learning to give back to other people and their community.
And Genevieve will remember that for the rest of her life.
Yeah, was that her that scored it a 50-100? I think we heard from.
So very cute.
Kitty.